Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today, in this video, we will model one physical system, physical modeling for an I.C.Engine vehicle. So to open with Simscape blank model, we need to write one command window, that is ssc_new in our command window, MATLAB command window. And once we hit enter, it will redirect us to a blank Simscape library resource. So here we will model one I.C.Engine vehicle. So for that, first let's search for a generic engine. So all the blocks that we will use here, it is available under driveline library. So this is the generic engine model. We can see here all the specifications, all the parameters. So we'll keep the parameters default values as the default values. But one thing we will change here, the inertia, we will specify the inertia, and this engine inertia, we will make it to 0.2 kg per meter square. So we can also change the fuel consumption, and we can also control the speed as well. So we will not do that here. So I'm just saving and close this. So let's take a PS constant to give the input throttle. So we need to connect this with throttle port of this generic engine, and let's set the throttle to 50%. We are specifying 0.5. Now, if we want to read about this generic engine block, how it works and what is the mathematics behind this, we can read here. And also we can redirect to this engine property to read in details. Then we need one mechanical rotational reference to connect with the braking port. So here is the braking port. We need to connect one mechanical rotational reference here. And as it's a Simscape model, we must need to connect one solver configuration with. So I'm connecting the solver configuration here. Now we need to take for a torque converter. So this is also available under the driveline library of Simscape. So it's a basically sub-library under Simscape. So we will connect this F port, that is basically the force or the power that is going to transfer from this engine. This F is the output of that. So I'm just connecting here the I, and now I will connect one inertia with this. So here I will connect it with T port of this torque converter, and inertia I will set it to 1 kg per meter square, 1 kg meter square. So now further with this, I will connect a gearbox. So simple gear I will connect with this, and we'll connect it with T port. Now inside this, we can change all the parameters. Here we will change only one option, like output shaft rotates. It's the opposite direction by default it's set. So I need to change it to in the same direction of this input shaft. So I have changed this. Now I will connect one differential with this gear. So I need to rotate this. So I will use Control R to rotate this differential block. Now I will connect this D. Now, so we will take tires to, or we can call it as a wheel. So we will connect it with two differential port. So like this we will connect. Now we need to add this whole thing with a vehicle body. So we will search for vehicle body. By double clicking here, we will search for vehicle body. So under driveline, it is also available. So we'll use this, and the hub of these two tires, we'll sorted this and we'll connect with the hub of the vehicle. Now to observe the speed or the of this vehicle, we will connect one scope along with a PS Simulink converter, as these blocks are from Simscape library, so it will generate a physical signal. So we need to convert in terms of Simulink signal. That's why we have used a PS Simulink converter here with the scope. So I will connect here. So I can double click on this PS Simulink converter and I can set the signal unit. So let me select for kilometer per hour. So I can write here kilometer per hour. So now it will convert the value in terms of kilometer per hour. So once I connect this, so all our model is ready. So it's a very simple model and it uses few number of blocks. So once this is ready, so we will keep the default timing of 10 seconds and we can run it. So once it run, so the simulation has done. We can observe the characteristics of this. So the speed that is the vehicle is going to achieve, the speed is near about to 90, more than 90 actually, 92 kilometer per hour. So such a way we can design IC engine vehicle with very small time and using very little amount of blocks. So thank you. If you came across with any type of doubts, please ask me.